Okay, let's have a look. So we complete the square. That's x minus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 50. So you just roughly sketch this out. You have a 2, 4, a circle here, and then you have some point here, minus 4, 0, and it's going to form a tangent. So we know where the center is. We can know the radius. The radius is root 50, and we can know that length there. Let's just call it d. So d would be the square root of minus 4 minus 2 is 6 squared, 36 plus 4 squared is 16. So that's root 36 plus 16, which is 2 root 13. And we'll call that side L. So we can say L squared plus R squared equals D squared. So you get the L is root 2. So we have the length. Now we just need to get that equation. So equation of the line where the perpendicular distance has to be root 50. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we have mx minus y plus 4m equals 0. So root 50 should equal the modulus of m times 2 minus 4 plus 4m over root m squared plus 1. Cross multiply and square. So you get 50m squared plus 50. And that on the top is 4m plus 2m is 6m minus 4 squared. So you get 50m squared minus 36m squared. Minus or plus 48m plus 50 plus 16 minus 16 equals 0. So that's 14m squared plus 48m plus 34 equals 0. Let's have a look at this. Dear, oh dear. Getting two negative answers. No, actually. Yeah. Two negative answers. That doesn't seem right, does it? 2m plus 4m is 6m minus 4 squared. So that'd be 36m squared, yeah. Then twice the first by the second. 12, 48m minus 48 becomes plus 48. Then plus 16 minus 16. And that's so 50 minus 36, yeah. And then 50 minus 16. Yeah. Seems like something went wrong there, huh? Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Mx minus y plus 4m. 2m minus 4 plus 4m. So that's 6m minus 4. The m's are negative. So, I mean, I guess they could be negative. It just means that it's drawn upside down. Really? It's upside down? I mean, if there's two answers, shouldn't there be like... maybe one positive, maybe one negative? Slopes? Cross multiply and square 50m squared plus 50. And that's m squared plus 1. What have I done wrong? Can't even see it. Maybe I just typed it in wrong. Actually, I think I just typed it in wrong on the calculator. So when I solve this, I get 14, 48, and 34. So you get minus 1 or minus 17 over 7. Still not too happy that they're both negative, but at least I didn't get decimally weird answers. Minus 1, minus 17 over 7. Yeah, okay. So if I sub that back in, I can get my two equations. It does say find the equations of the tangents. So I have minus 1x minus y minus 4 equals 0. In other words, x plus y plus 4 equals 0. And then the second one is minus 17 over 7, x minus y minus 17 times 4, which is 68 over 7. So if I multiply by minus 7, I get 17x plus 7y plus 68 equals 0. I guess that doesn't look too bad, but I'm definitely going to graph this later. Find the equations of the tangents to the circle from P. The line joining the centre of the circle to the point of the tangent T cuts the x-axis inside the circle Q. Okay, let's see. Okay, the line joining the centre of the circle to the point of the tangent T cuts the x-axis inside the circle Q. So I don't know, let's just say like T is here. So the line joining the centre circle to the point of the tangent T. But I guess my mistake was thinking it was up there earlier. Like it's kind of looking like it's going to be down below. I'll just say T here, and there's the tangent there, and it's going to cut it like that. The line joining the centre of the circle to the point of the tangent T cuts the x-axis inside a Q. Find the coordinates of T. Okay. So I have okay. At this point here, minus 4, 0. I have this point here, 2, 4. try to find Q here. But the problem is I have two tangents, so I'd have two slopes. Which one do I go with? So either the m is 1 because it's perpendicular, or 7 over 17. All right, let's see what happens. So you have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We want to know where it crosses the x-axis, so y would be 0. So that would be x minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. That might be too far to the left. And then you have, same way, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's calculate that. Minus 4 times 17 divided by 7 plus 2. Oh no, that one seems definitely too big. Minus 54 over 7. So I'm going to go with, although it's not quite right, it would be more like over here. I'm going to go with the minus 2. That gives me where the Q is. So that would be minus 2, 0. Okay, but I'm actually looking for the T, and then I'm looking for QT distance. So I just have to get the T. Right. Let's see. If I get this distance first, and I know this slope is 1 actually. So this distance here, minus 2 to 2 is 4. That's 16, 16, that's root 32. Okay, so that's root 32, but the whole thing should be root 50. So root 50 minus root 32, that's root 2. So that distance there is root 2. And the slope is 1. So it means this distance is 1 and this distance is 1. So you would just have to come across 1 and down 1. So that would mean here go an extra unit to the left. So that's minus 3. And then go down 1 unit. So that's minus 1. And the distance QT I worked out is root 2. Okay. So I think this question was particularly tricky, and what I'm definitely going to do again, like last time actually, is graph it, because I can't quite see what's happening here with the two solutions, and I can kind of tell that this is the one that's going to work. But I really can't visualize it at the moment. I'm going to have to make a second video here to graph this. Well, okay. I'm certainly not satisfied with this, but maybe when I graph it and video it later, things might become a bit more illuminated.